In this short video tutorial, I will show you if you have Samsung Galaxy phone, then you should change and turn off these settings if you really want to get the best out of your Samsung Galaxy phone. Galaxy phone packs plenty of cool features for improving your smartphone experience. Samsung left these settings enabled, but you should disable it. Here are the settings you should change to get the most out of your Samsung phone. Firstly, open the settings on your phone, tap on Connections. Scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings. Now you should see the toggle to turn off the nearby device. Scanning nearby device. Scanning allows users to interact with other Android devices that are present nearby. It can be a handy feature, but not everyone uses it, and disabling this from settings will help you save a ton of battery juice. Now go back to settings, then scroll all the way down until you see Battery and Device Care. Tap on Memory. You will see memory extension feature called RAM Plus, which adds virtual RAM at the cost of a few. It was supposed to improve performance, but in reality turns things worse. RAM Plus memory is slower than physical RAMs, so will slow down your phone. So these are the settings on Samsung Galaxy. You need to change it to save battery drains and make your phone run faster. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends if you want more videos like this. Then tap on the subscribe button and join us.